Hello our Desi and Pardesi friends. We are back again with yet another authentic recipe of Hyderabad, a sweet dish that is very popular and loved by all Hyderabadis. It is the famous apricot dessert, Qubani ka Meetha. And this is a sweet dish that you'll fall in love with once you taste it. So today we are going to show you a simple process of how to make it. So here we've got 300 grams of dried apricots which we are going to soak overnight or at least for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours. And when soaking these apricots, make sure that you use drinking water as we are going to reuse this water in our sweet preparation. Now the next morning the apricots are soft enough to be de-seeded. See how soft each apricot is, and it's so easy to remove the seed out of them. And now all the apricots have been de-seeded. As for the seeds, we do not discard them, but we break open the shell and use the apricot kernels in the Qubani ka Meetha preparation. So here we've got a pan on high heat, and to this we are adding the water in which the apricots were soaked. Add in about 150 grams of sugar and then 200 ml of water, just enough for the apricots to cook properly. Give this mixture a good stir and allow the sugar to melt. Now once the water has come to a boil and the sugar has melted, add in the de-seeded apricots. To enhance the color of this dessert, we are adding about a pinch of raspberry color. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and about half of the apricot kernels. Continue to cook the apricots for about 10 minutes on high heat or till about 80% of the water has evaporated. After about 10 minutes, the apricots have cooked perfectly and all the liquid has turned into a lovely golden caramelized sauce, and this is a dessert that is so delicious that every bite will melt in your mouth. Chill thoroughly in the fridge before serving and then top it with the remaining apricot kernels.
Now that it is done, I can't wait anymore. Let me dig in. I love to eat this with a bit of cream. That's really yummy.
And the way I like to eat it is with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is just so delicious. The apricots have cooked to perfection, and a bite of it with this ice cream is just so delicious. Well dear friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we loved making this dessert for you. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know your feedback in the comments section below. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such mouth-watering videos. We will see you soon with another authentic recipe. Until then, stay safe and happy.